Welcome back to the channel. The conflict between the United States and Iran has entered a new phase, a critical phase. Reports suggest that both sides are discussing a temporary ceasefire, reopening the Strait of Hormuz, sanctions relief, and future nuclear negotiation. However, major disagreements still remain, especially over Iran's uranium enrichment program. There are mixed signals regarding whether Iran is ready to accept US terms. Some American officials claim Iran has shown willingness to surrender in principle on nuclear restriction, while Iranian sources deny agreeing to surrender enriched uranium. Right? Enriched uranium stockpile. Now, is Iran really ready to accept America's term? What if the biggest conflict in the Middle East is now approaching a turning point? After months of military escalation, missile attacks, oil disruption, and global fear, the United States and Iran may finally be moving toward a deal. But here is a big question. Is Iran truly ready to accept America's condition, or is this just another temporary pause before bigger confrontation? Today we will break down the latest war update, the secret negotiation, the nuclear issue, and what this means for the world economy, oil prices, Israel and global power politics. But before we dive deep in the video detail, just hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe the channel for more updates on world affairs. Right? The latest report suggests that negotiations between Washington and Tehran are intensifying behind closed doors. According to multiple international sources, the US and Iran are discussing a possible 60-day ceasefire extension and a broader peace framework. One major issue is the Strait of Hormuz, one of the world's most important oil trade routes. Iran had disrupted movement in the region during the conflict, creating massive fears in global energy market. Right? Now reports say both sides are discussing reopening the strait fully in exchange for limited sanctions, relief, and future talk. At the same time, US President Donald Trump has claimed that a peace deal is close and negotiations are in the final stage. But despite the optimism, tensions are still extremely high. The central conflict remains Iran's nuclear ambition. America wants Iran to stop high-level uranium enrichment, limit missile development, and reduce support for regional proxy groups. Washington also reportedly wants Iran to hand over or neutralize its enriched uranium stockpile. This is where negotiations become difficult. Some US officials say Iran's leadership has agreed in principle to restrictions on uranium enrichment, but Iranian officials are strongly pushing back. A Reuters report says Iran has not agreed to hand over its highly enriched uranium and wants the nuclear issue discussed separately in future negotiations. So the reality is Iran appears open to diplomacy but not ready for complete. There are several reasons why Iran may now be considering compromise. First, economic pressure, sanctions, oil restriction, and military damage have severely impacted Iran's economy. Second, regional isolation. Many Gulf nations want stability restored because the war threatens trade and energy market. Third, military risk. The United States has massively increased military presence in the region, and Iran understands that prolonged conflict could become extremely costly. Okay, at the same time, Iran also want to avoid appearing weak domestically. That is why Iranian leaders are trying to balance diplomacy with national pride. So instead of openly accepting American demand, Iran may try to negotiate a phase agreement where both sides gradually reduce tension. Several possible scenarios are emerging. Scenario 1, a temporary ceasefire becomes permanent. Sanctions are eased and nuclear talks continue. Scenario 2, negotiations collapse over uranium enrichment, causing another round of military escalation. Scenario 3, a middle ground deal is reached where Iran keeps limited nuclear capability under strict international monitoring. Right now, the third scenario appears most likely. Both sides seem exhausted by conflict, but neither side want to appear defeated. So, is Iran ready to accept US terms? Partially, yes. Completely, not yet. Iran appears willing to negotiate, but it still wants guarantee on sanctions, sovereignty, and regional influence. The next few weeks could reshape the future of the Middle East. Right? Comment below and subscribe for more global geopolitical updates. Thank you for watching.